So check this thing out. Well, it's got some dust in there, but it works. I do have to mention that I did dust out the major amount of dust out of it, and took the tubes out and cleaned all the contacts and stuff like that before I put it all up here on the kitchen counter. We got a 1,000-watt slug in there, and this is set on 1,000 watts. Look at that. Couple hundred watt, maybe a half carrier. If I give it some audio, hello, audio, wow. Pegging 1,000 on these 4 tubes, actually 2 driving 4. I don't know how those 4 little guys can do it, man. Hello, audio. Definitely don't want to get my elbow down in there. That'd be the end of me. Anyways, this old Palomar kicking ass. Maybe I should unkey, huh? Maybe I should. Maybe I shouldn't. Hello, audio. Anyways, throwing a video up here. This thing kicking ass. Hello, radio from the kitchen counter. Breaker, breaker, breaker. Oh, damn, my dummy load is on fire. Uh-oh. Woo, baby. Smoking up the kitchen. Well, I guess the kitchen's okay for smoke. I'm gonna have to get a bigger dummy load. A 300-watt one is probably gonna be no good now. I'll check the ohms in a minute.